Huwag niyong subukang kalabanin ang Amerika dahil pagsisisihan niyo yan. Direktang pinagbantaan nga ni President Donald Trump ang buong BRICS, lalong-lalo na ang China. China kasi ang banta sa militar ng US at nagbabalak pabagsakin ang economic growth ng Amerika. Huwag niyo na daw subukan. Papatawan kayo ng Amerika ng 150% tariff sanction. Pag natuloy yan, katapusan na to ng China at Russia. Katapusan na to lalo ni Xi Jinping dahil umaasa to sa export. Babagsak ang ekonomiya ng Chinese government at mawawalan to ng kakayahang pondohan ang kanilang mga gera. Wala nang perang panggawa ng mga missile. Dito mas madaling mapapabagsak ng US ang China pag nangyari yan.
About BRICS, you know, the BRIC states, there are like 6 of them, and they were trying to destroy our dollar. They were going to say, you know, they wanted to create a new currency. They probably wanted to use the yuan, China. They wanted to use the yuan. And Biden said, well, this is a tough situation. There's not much we can do about that. We can't help that. I said, oh, we can help it. So when I came in, the first thing I said is any BRIC state that even mentions the destruction of the dollar will be charged a 150% tariff. And we don't want your goods, we don't want to partake. And the BRIC states just broke up. I don't know what the hell happened to them. We haven't heard from the BRIC states lately. But he said that wasn't much we could do about it. There was a lot. It took once, literally. They said, sir, what about the BRIC states? They're going to take over the dollar, the sanctity of the dollar. They're going to create a new currency to rule the world. I said, no, they're not. They said, yes, they are, sir. They said it. I said, no, they're not. Tell them 150% tariff, plus we're not going to do business with them. And that includes China.
Tingin nyo anong sagot ng Chinese Foreign Ministry dito? Hindi nga sila nagyabang, tumahimik lang. Parang pusa ang China na tila ang amo-amo. Hindi daw gagawin ng China kalabanin ng US at handa raw ang China makipag-usap para sa win-win cooperation. Tila nagmamakaawa ang China ngayon na wag sanksyonan ang China ng 150%. Dito mahahalata mo na takot pa rin ang China makipaggera sa US dahil kulang pa ang pera nilang pampondo pag nagkaroon ng digmaan.
为新兴市场和发展中国家合作的重要平台，倡导开放包容、合作共赢，不搞阵营对抗，不针对第三方，为的是实现共同发展和普遍繁荣。中方愿继续同金砖伙伴一道，深化各领域务实合作，为世界经济持续稳定增长做出更多贡献。关于美国加征关税的问题，中方已多次阐明立场：贸易战、关税战没有赢家，损害的是各国人民的共同利益。
Matalino talaga tong si Trump. Once kasi na magkagera, sisiguraduhin ng US na mawawalan ng sapat na pera ang China para matalo to ng Amerika. Pag wala na kasing pera ang isang bansa, saan sila bibili ng armas pang digma? Diba? Kayo, anong masasabi niyo sa pagbabanta ng US? I-komento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.